welcome back to my channel. As you already know, it's your girl Shaneill and I'm back with another video. Before I even get into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and also don't forget to turn on post notifications so that you'll be notified each time that I drop a new video. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at ShaneillRoyalHair /_.Shaneill. Guess what, guys? It's tutorial time. So this is the first video I'm dropping since I've hit 1K. Well, the first tutorial video I'm dropping since I've hit 1K subs. And I'm super excited because, like I told you guys, I'm gonna do more tutorials for you guys, especially hair tutorials, because that's what I mainly do. I don't really like to wear a lot of makeup, but I'm getting into doing little natural beads. Each time that I do update my makeup routine, I will do an updated makeup tutorial for you guys. But today the focus is the hair, because baby, do y'all see this bob? And I did not cut the bob, y'all. I did not have to cut the bob. I did not do anything besides install it, add some baby hairs, add some makeup, and that was it. I didn't bleach the knots, none of that. This wig, 10 out of 10. I give them a 10 out of 10. Megalookhair, they did their big one with this. It's been so long since I've worn a bob, or since I wore a bob. And I'm just feeling this right now. Like, I really want to do my makeup. I really want to do my makeup and take pictures. And my outfit is so cute. Well, it's just pink. It's just a regular pink bodysuit, but super cute.
to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Trying to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you're always on my mind. Yeah. When you come around like this, baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when I never know when you might walk by. So I gotta be right on time. I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone, when you're nervous when you're gone. I say I'm not home. I see your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We're trying to stars outside. What's the reason why? Yeah. You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby, I don't know. Baby, when something now is taking over me. Yeah. I'm not gonna run out, just gonna stand here and sleep. Oh, yeah. Hey, baby, I see you. So sexy, boy, so sexy, boy.
Right now, from the side now, come on, then fall down when you see chemistry between me and you. I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else will do like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me, love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny that crush on you. That's truly, I'm digging you. You make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
And when we're making love, your cries that can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. Everything I need between those thighs. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it.
Take some time just to get thankful that I had days full of you.
Because it calling me what's my name? Calling me My hair. Wait, what's the other one? What's the other TikTok? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at _.Shaneill and Shaneill Royal Hair. Also, don't forget to turn on post notifications so that you'll be notified each time that I drop a new video. I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.